Breaking. Iran issues stark warning to United States over nuclear program escalation. In a dramatic escalation of international tensions, Iran has issued a direct warning to the United States, threatening to expand its atomic program if diplomatic negotiations fail. The Iranian government stated today that they will resume uranium enrichment to weapons-grade levels unless the US lifts economic sanctions within 30 days. This announcement comes just days after the International Atomic Energy Agency reported that Iran has increased its uranium stockpiles by 40%. The White House responded within hours, calling Iran's statements deeply concerning and vowing to consult with allies on a unified response. Nuclear experts warned that this development could destabilize the entire Middle East region and trigger a new arms race,